So first হচ্ছে skeletal formula. So this is another representation way of organic compound. Okay, like already you know about molecular formula, empirical formula, displayed formula, and structural formula, right? So now this is another formula, skeletal formula. So the term skeletal, okay, from this term already you have you can sense something that is the main skeletal, okay, of the body, like a skeletal for a human, that is the main internal side. Okay, so here also there is in for organic compound, if we want to draw a skeletal formula, in that case also we'll draw the main part of the compound. Okay, they like a skeletal. If you think a skeletal of a human body, so what about a skeletal of a compound? So not all the atom present in the compound will not be shown. Okay, it is একটা compound যে molecules বা compound যে atom গুলো আছে সবগুলো এখানে show হবে না, main partটা show করব আমরা, right? So what is the main part? Main part in organic compound is the carbon carbon bond and functional group. Okay, carbon carbon bond and functional group, carbon carbon chain and functional group. So for example, if we want to draw the skeletal formula of pentane. Okay, so what is the rule? So pentane, we know there is a carbon carbon single bond alkane, then there are 5 carbon and 12 hydrogen, right? So a skeletal formula would be, look at first for understanding, if I draw the displayed formula, then it would be easier. This is the displayed formula, right? First I am drawing the displayed formula, then skeletal formula, then you can compare. Look at how many carbon, 1 2 3 4 5, and there are single bond between the carbon carbon between 2 carbon, and there is a single bond between carbon and hydrogen. So in a skeletal formula we will show only carbon carbon bond, not carbon hydrogen bond. Like in a structure, main structure will show the carbon carbon bond, right? Carbon hydrogen bond generally we don't show, right, in a structural formula, but in displayed formula we'll show all the bonds. So in a skeletal formula also we'll show only the carbon carbon bond, we will not show the carbon hydrogen bond. So how can we present the carbon in a skeletal formula? With a dot only. If we draw a dot, dot means a carbon atom. Look at how many carbon? 5 carbon. So we can draw a 5 dot. But think, if we draw 5 dot in a straight line, okay, and if we add, then it is looks like a straight line. A straight line means 2 dot, like that is between 2 dot there is a straight line, right? So if we use present the dot in a straight line, then actually it present only 2 dot and only 2 carbon atom. Okay, so for this reason we will not show the dot in a straight line, we will show in zigzag line. Like this is 1 carbon atom, this is a second carbon atom, this another on third, fourth, fifth. That is in zigzag way will show present the carbon atom. So dot means a carbon atom. Now there is a carbon carbon single bond, right? So if we add these 2 dot, means there is a carbon atom, there is another carbon atom, this is 2 carbon atom, between these 2 carbon atom there is a single bond. And if we add this 2 dot, means this carbon atom and this carbon atom, between these 2 carbon atom there is a single bond. Here also between these 2 carbon atom there is a single bond. Between these 2 carbon atom also there is a single bond. So look at here, this is the skeletal formula of pentane. So এখানে আমরা কি কি শো করেছি, আমরা এখানে ফার্স্ট 5 কার্বন অ্যাটম ড্র করেছি by plotting 5 dots. So 1 dot means 1 carbon atom, so 5 dot means 5 carbon atom. দেন আমরা কার্বন অ্যাটমগুলোকে জয়েন করেছি বাই স্ট্রেট লাইন। সো স্ট্রেট লাইন প্রেজেন্ট দ্য বন্ড বিটুইন দ্য টু কার্বন অ্যাটম। ওকে, নাও এই পেন্টেনের কি বাকি থাকলো, যে কার্বন হাইড্রোজেন বন্ড। সো আমরা বলছি যে কার্বন হাইড্রোজেন বন্ড এখানে আমরা শো করব না, বিকজ মেইন skeletal of the pentane or alkane is the carbon carbon chain. Okay, so this is the skeletal formula of pentane. Okay, so in this way you can draw the hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane, or butane, or pentane, or ethane, or propane. Okay, there is any alkane you can draw. Got it? Any question? So we can see more example, like wait. So right here, you should copy it in your, that is, you should draw on your copy. You need to practice. Okay, so now another example, if we draw like 2-methyl butane, for example. Okay, 2-methyl butane. So first we'll draw the butane. Butane means 4 carbon atom. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 dot, then add with a straight line the bond between carbon. Okay, so this is butane. Now methyl group. Methyl group, we know methyl is the CH3, right? So there is a 1 carbon. This is methyl group. So methyl group attached with 2 number carbon, right? So we can add from this side, if we count 1, 2. So if we add another carbon here, wait, there is another carbon. Carbon means this carbon atom, and there are 3 hydrogen atom with this. So if we add with the second carbon, so this is methyl group. Okay, understood? Because carbon hydrogen bond we're not showing, only carbon carbon bond showing here. So 1, 2. So with 2 number carbon, there is a methyl group here. Clear? And you can draw also like this. Sorry. This is butane. You can draw here also. This can be also. This is 2-methyl butane. This is also 2-methyl butane. So from this side, this is 1 number carbon. This is 2 number carbon, right? And from this side, 1 number carbon, 2 number carbon. So this one or this one, both are same. Okay, so 2-methyl butane in this way we can draw. Clear? Okay, I hope you understood. Now another example. This is from alkane. Now from alkene. Look at like but 2-ene if we want to draw. So there are 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. But in 4 carbon, here all are single bond, right? 1 straight line. But in 2, there are in 2-ene means with 2 number carbon, there is a double bond, carbon carbon double bond, right? So you can show the double bond here. Okay, there is, yes, with second carbon there is a double bond. So this should be the but 2-ene. Got it? In same way, if we draw the butane 2-ol, what would be? So first you need to draw the butane. There is 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is butane, and 2-ol. 2-ol means with second carbon there is a OH group. So here you have to write OH. OH. here we're writing ace because this is not carbon hydrogen bond. Okay, this is a functional group, OAs. So in functional group, what present we need to draw exactly. Okay, that is like OAs or this double bond or anything. Okay, so functional group should be exactly we need to draw because the functional group present the main compound, right? So this OAs we have to write here. So the OAs group attached with the second carbon, that is, it is butane 2-1. Okay, these are the simple examples. Alcohol, alkane, or alkane. Some example for skeletal formula. Now, if we check from some question paper. We can check from question paper, then I hope if any confusion, you can understand. Okay. This one. Look at question number 10. In question number 10, look at the A, B, C, D, 4 skeletal formula given, right? So first question is, which compound is 2-methyl propane? Can you say which one is 2-methyl propane? Or first tell me, option A, what is the name of A? Tasin, can you try?
2-methyl propane. Sir, 2-methyl propane.
Hello.
Hello.
What is the name of A? Look at 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, right? This is the main chain. So 3 carbon in the long chain, and there is a branch, right? Branch is a methyl. So it should be the
2-methyl
2-methyl
propane.
propane is this one, right?
Yes.
Okay. 2-methyl propane. Look at 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbon in the long chain, there is propane, and at 2 number carbon, there is a methyl group. So this is A is the 2-methyl propane. Talal, can you say what is the name of the compound B? What is the name of this compound B? Hello, Talal, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir,
Uh,
I can.
what is the name? Tell, please.
Sir, I don't know.
Try. Tasin, you can try. This one.
Pen to in হবে.
Pent to in. Look at Talal.
Yes, sir.
Number 1, there is how many carbon first you can identify. There is a double bond, so it is alkane, sure, right? So look at how many carbon in the long chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon, right? There is, it is pentane. But at 1 number, 2 number, with 2 number carbon, there is a double bond, right? There is, it should be pent to in. Got it? This molecule name should be pent
And two.
to in. The B compound is pent to in, right? Can you try for D number? Look at for D. Does it?
Sir, number D.
D. Name of the compound. Where is Maria? Talal, you also try. Name
Octane.
octane. Number D. How many carbon in the long chain? First identify the long chain in carbon. And for naming, we need to first identify the carbon-carbon long chain route, right?
Sir, বলতে পারবো?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, 2,2 uh, dimethyl propane.
2,2 dimethyl propane.
G.
Yes, you're right. That is, it is 2,2 dimethyl propane. Tala, look at here in long chain. One number, this is one carbon, this is 2 number carbon, this is 3 number carbon, right? 3 carbon means it is propane. And at 2 number carbon, there is 2 branch, 1 branch and 2 branch. And both are methyl, that is dimethyl propane. Which we number attached with the carbon number 2, so it is 2,2 dimethyl propane. Got it, Talal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we can see for next. Look at in question number 12, there is another molecule. So what should be? He said you forgot. He said yet you don't know, but what is the general name, systematic name of this compound? Both of you, you can try. In long chain, how many? First, identify the long chain. The bromine, these 2 bromine at the branch, right? That is, it is bromine to bromine at branch, but there's a double bond. Means main compound is alkane. So it is in all case. Look at is pentene, right? Option given already. So look at is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. There are 5 carbon. That is pentene. So pen 2 in or 3 in.
Sir, pen 2 in.
2 in, because from this side 1 number, 2 number, and from this side 1, 2, 3. So we take the smallest one generally, right? Lowest one. So shortest one. So it should be pen 2 in. So now pen 2 in. Look at the branch. Branch is the bromine, bromo. So there are 2 bromine. So dibromo, pen 2 in, and first bromine attached with second carbon, and second bromine attached with the third carbon. That is, it should be 2,3 dibromo, pen 2 in, right? Okay. And now it is E or Z, that is different case. We'll learn in geometric isomer. Okay, so this formula is 2,3 dibromo pentene. Right. Look at 6 number, 16 number. Can you try? 16 number. What should be the name? Try first. Tell me, what is the name?
Sir, B.
B. B is the 3-methyl butene. Maria, can you say what should be the answer for 16? There is a skeletal formula. What should be the name? Thioacetol 3-methyl-butene. Talal?
Sir,
Maria, tell.
so এটা 2-methyl-butene হবে না?
2-methyl-butene. Confused. Talal? Talal, can you hear me?
Sir,
What do you
2-methyl-butene.
2-methyl-butene, the last one. Okay, look at.
Yeah.
First, it is butene, it is clear, right? Because there are 4 carbon in the long chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can check this one 4 or this one, no problem, anyone. So if we take this 4 in long chain, so there is a double bond in second carbon, and there is a methyl group here, right? There is a branch. So from both sides, look at from this side, if you count 1, 2, so with second carbon there is a double bond. From this side, if you count 1, 2, with second carbon there is a double bond. Okay, so this methyl group with the second carbon, so it should be 2-methyl-butene. Okay, it should not be 3 in, because the double bond with second carbon from any side if you count. Okay, from both sides if you count double bond with the second carbon, because double bond between 2 carbon, right? So from this side if we count 1, 2, so this carbon attached to the double bond. From this side 1, 2, so this carbon also with the double bond. So it should be butene first one, and from this side we'll take the 2-methyl or 3-methyl. So always we'll take from the lowest side, right? And lowest side means if it is 1 for double bond, if it is 2, if it is 3, if it is 4, so it is 2-methyl. Okay, but if you think like someone who told 3-methyl-butene, like he thought, well, it is 1, it is 2, because it is 2 in, it is 3, it is 4. We will not take in this way, because if we take in this way, the methyl group in the not in the short, right? It is not 2-methyl, it is 3-methyl. But if we consider this carbon is 2, this is 1, this is 3, this is 4, then we can say in both cases it is butene, but methyl group 2-methyl or 3-methyl. So we should take 2-methyl-butene. Okay. So I hope you understood. Now next on this one last class we discussed. 27 number. Try 27. First tell me the name of the compound, then we can say the answer. Okay, look at how many carbon in the long chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 carbon, single bond. There is a OH group. OH group with carbon 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it is pent 5 carbons. It is pentan 3 wall, right? Pentan 3 wall. But there is a branch here also. So it is methyl group. So we can say it is methyl pentan 3 wall. Methyl in which carbon? At 2 number, right? So 2-methyl pentan 3 wall. Clear? So now you can check. Wait. So 2-methyl pentan 3 wall. Okay, got it? The name of this compound. Now you can check the answer A, B, or C, D. Which one should be answer from A, B, C, D? You can check. Which one would be answered? A, B, C, D, which one? Like if I draw the displayed formula, then we can draw the structural formula. They draw here like pentantial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 3 number carbon, there is OH and other. If we draw in this way,
Sir, D হবে।
D. It should be D. And here there is a methyl group, right? So look at this is the answer should be D, because these two for this carbon, these two were 1, 2. So we can write CH3 in bracket 2 with this carbon, that is this CH3. এই দুইটা মিথাইল গ্রুপ অ্যাকচুয়ালি কি কার্বনের সাথে বন্ডেড, রাইট? সেজন্য আমরা এটা ব্র্যাকেট দিয়ে দিতে পারি, ওকে? And another one is hydrogen. Then this carbon. So then this carbon, so this carbon, and there is a hydrogen with this carbon and OH with this carbon. So OH as a branch, so we can branch gulo আমরা কি bracket within bracket show করি, okay? Then here CH2, then CH3. Okay, so for this carbon, these two we can show in bracket, there is as a branch, no problem. So answer should be D. So I hope you got it. Now for next one. Look at number 39, skeletal formula given. What should be the systematic name of this compound? You can try. In this time, I will not say the answer. You should. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. First tell me, it is heptane or hexane? In long chain, how many carbon? 5 carbon or 6 carbon or 7 carbon?
Sir, 7 carbon।
So if we identify the long chain, then easily you can identify the name, right? So it is heptane. So if it is heptane, so the long chain is, this is the long chain, right? So this is a branch, this is another branch. Means there are two methyl group, there is dimethyl. So there is actually C or D, this one. Dimethyl heptane, both are right. So 3, 4 or 4. It should be
D.
Lowest one, right? There is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it should be shortest one, the smallest one, 3, 4 dimethyl heptane. Okay, clear? So skeletal formula, I hope you understood. And we can see if any more example here. Maybe no. Okay, done. So from this skeletal formula, do you have any more? Do you have any questions? Otherwise, we'll start the new next topic, isomer.
No, sir.
Maria, understood about the structural formula, skeletal formula? Any question?
Yes, sir.
Talal?
No, sir.
No. Okay, so this session almost finished. So I am closing this session because it is recorded. Okay, so join again. Okay, then we will start isomer.